second-hand flea market, CPFM, the creative brand led by Cynthia Liu, has built its identity on eccentric, daring, and playful fashion choices. Known for combining textures, furs, suedes, and unconventional fabrics, CPFM's collaborations with Nike continue to capture attention in the sneaker world. The latest project is the CPFM Nike Dunk Low Swamp Sponge, a silhouette reimagined with plush padding and spongy exteriors that challenge the idea of a traditional sneaker. This bold design was first teased by Travis Scott during the Toma El Juego event in Los Angeles, sparking buzz across social media before its official New York Fashion Week 2025 debut. While CPFM style may not appeal to everyone, its quirky unpredictability is exactly what draws Nike back for repeated partnerships. Currently, the 3 distinct pairs are available on the CPFM site, each priced at $155.